Topic is about life insurance in USA. Now we go to Google and search here best life insurance in USA. So we found some websites here. Now we go to this website named policyocean.com and read. If you have just visited the channel, then subscribe this channel. Whole life. Your golden ticket to a very free retirement. Are you looking for a way to secure your family's financial future? If so, whole life insurance could be the perfect solution for you. Whole life insurance is a type of insurance that provides lifelong coverage for your loved ones. It offers a number of benefits, including death benefit, cash value, tax benefits, and flexibility. If you are ready to take the next step in protecting your family's financial future, contact us today to learn more about whole life insurance. We will be happy to answer any questions you have and help you find the right policy for you. Free consultation. Enter your information and we will contact for a free consultation. Here you enter your name, then you enter your phone number, state, and then you enter do you smoke. Submit. What is whole life insurance? Lifelong coverage. Once you get this insurance, it stays with you until you pass away. As long as you keep paying the premiums, builds cash value. Part of what you pay can grow into a cash amount over time. You can borrow against the value if you need money in the future. Fixed premiums. The amount you pay usually remains the same throughout your life, making it easier to plan your finance. Who is it for? Whole life insurance can benefit a wide range of individuals, from families desiring long term financial protection for their loved ones to business owners seeking stability in succession planning. Its lifelong coverage combined with a cash value component offers both a death benefit and a savings mechanism. Those focused on estate planning can use it to manage potential estate taxes, while parents of special needs children find value in ensuring continued financial support. Key aspects: a guaranteed payout for their family when they are gone, a potential source of cash they can use later in life, predictable payments amounts without surprises. Why Policy Ocean? When it comes to safeguarding your future and that of your loved ones, Policy Ocean stands out as the beacon in the vast insurance landscape. Our dedication is to understanding your unique needs coupled with our deep industry insights, ensuring you are not just buying a policy but investing in a promise. By collaborating with a wide spectrum of top insurance providers, we cast the net wide to fetch your opinions that align seamlessly with your aspiration and budget. At Policy Ocean, we believe that every insurance journey should be as smooth as sailing on calm water, and our expert advisor are committed to guiding you through every ripple and wave. With us, you are not just another policy number, you are part of the policy ocean family, and your security and satisfaction are our guiding stars. Dive into a realm of trust, expertise, and unparalleled service with Policy Ocean. About us: Whole Life Policy Quote. Are you ready to complete our secure quote from to unlock your personalized coverage plan? Our dedicated experts are committed to helping you every step of the way. Get a quote over other insurance. Select your insurance type and let our expert advisor guide you towards the best decision. Life insurance, Medicaid, annuities, final expense. Help me decide. Policy Ocean. Secure your family future with Policy Ocean. Our tailored solutions ensure you get the best life insurance coverage, giving you peace of mind and your loved ones the protection they deserve. Dive into a sea of possibilities with Policy Ocean. Products, whole life, term life,